So some examples of interactive planning with AI. In this case, what we're talking about with generative AI is giving a prompt or making a request, let's say for alternative zoning maps during a community workshop. So again, this is giving us kind of ideas, different configurations, different patterns that we hadn't thought about before, not based on any kind of empirical data or analysis, but through general prompts and kind of patterns that have been seen before in some of these data, and whether it be maps or regulations. But this is going to take further review in order to make sure that it reflects local conditions. So the scenario generation is like generating new concepts, new ideas. And like I mentioned before, as far as like kind of the conversational aspect of these tools, we can take stakeholder input easily and then incorporate that into a scenario or a particular idea and build an example from that. And this also helps with supporting engagement, being able to reach out further and be inclusive for our planning process, and hopefully through different approaches for planning are going to be hopefully more engaging because they are visual, they are interactive than just the reports and made available.